Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for all you cooking enthusiasts and meat lovers out there. We're diving into the world of kitchen tools to introduce you to what we believe is the best dishwasher safe meat tenderizer on the market, the OXO SteeL Dishwasher Safe Meat Tenderizer. If you're looking to elevate your meat preparation game, then stick around as we explore what makes this tool a must-have in your kitchen. The OXO SteeL Meat Tenderizer is designed not just for functionality but also for ease of use. Crafted with a soft, comfortable grip, it ensures that your hands won't tire even during those longer cooking sessions. The tenderizer is made from solid aluminum, providing the durability you need to tackle tougher cuts of meat. Plus, with its non-stick coating, cleanup is a breeze, making it perfect for those who appreciate convenience in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this meat tenderizer is its dishwasher-safe design. After a long day of cooking, the last thing anyone wants to do is scrub down tools. With the OXO SteeL, you can simply toss it in the dishwasher and let it do the hard work for you. This feature alone makes it a game-changer for busy households. Moreover, the design allows for even pounding and tenderizing, which means your meats will be more flavorful and juicy after cooking. This is essential for any meat lover who wants to achieve that perfect steak or chicken cutlet. The OXO SteeL Meat Tenderizer is not only effective but also an elegant addition to your kitchen arsenal. Imagine you're preparing a delicious dinner for family or friends. You pull out your OXO tenderizer, and as you pound down on a tough piece of meat, you can feel the solid construction working effortlessly. It's designed to provide maximum force without the need for excessive effort on your part. This means you can get more done in less time, which is always a plus in the kitchen. Cleaning is as simple as it gets. After you're done tenderizing, just rinse it off, or better yet, place it directly in the dishwasher. The non-stick surface prevents any food from sticking, ensuring that no matter how tough the meat was, cleanup is quick and hassle-free. In conclusion, the OXO SteeL Dishwasher Safe Meat Tenderizer is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a reliable partner in your culinary adventures. With its thoughtful design, durable materials, and ease of maintenance, it sets a standard for what a meat tenderizer should be. If you're serious about cooking and want to make your meat preparation process easier and more efficient, this is the tenderizer you need. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen tool insights. Happy cooking, and see you next time.